Oh, hello there. I'm coming to you from a lovely old apothecary of the sort you can still find in some places in Germany. Historically, the country was known as the world's pharmacy, and it's regaining some of that status. That's thanks to its ultra-modern biopharma sector. Biopharmaceuticals account for around 60% of all drug approvals in Germany and around 18 billion in turnover. Let's look at this striking comeback, starting with some familiar names and faces. Led by scientist entrepreneurs Özlem Türeci and Ugo Şahin, BioNTech helped develop one of the world's leading vaccinations against the coronavirus. Now the company from Mainz is turning its mRNA technology back toward its original focus, cancer. What was behind the success that took BioNTech from obscurity to world recognition in only around a year's time? One factor: location. BioNTech's home city of Mainz has long been recognized as a life sciences and biotechnology hub. And when it needed to upgrade its Marburg plant at warp speed for the production of the coronavirus vaccine, it could call on specialists such as Siemens Healthineers. German Chancellor Olaf Scholz says, "The pandemic has proven what Germany can do as a location for innovation and manufacturing of medicines. Germany and Europe are becoming more resilient by building local value chains." Healthcare clusters such as Marburg have a long tradition in the field. R&D in this sector have been going on there since the early 20th century. Local and regional universities and scientific institutes have produced Nobel Prize winners and a host of internationally successful companies.
When it comes to moving from developmental to actual production, in this high-tech field, you need many highly specialized professionals, suppliers and service providers. A quick and efficient production startup needs to rely on existing infrastructure and local networks at the production site.
Companies in industrial parks require serviceable real estate, reliable supply networks and service providers with systems expertise as well as safety and security. PharmaServe Site Management offers all of these things.
In the last 5 years alone, companies working here have invested 1.5 billion euros. Here you will meet a vivid pharmaceutical community with about 7,000 employees working here. So that means we enable our customers to do their very best to be successful in R&D and producing pharmaceuticals.
Pretty much wherever you look in Germany, you'll find health clusters and international pharma and biopharma firms benefiting from them. For example, Novo Nordisk in Mainz, Roche in Penzberg, Teva in Ulm, Baxter International in Halle, and Arisium Therapeutics in Berlin.
German biopharma industry is the fastest growing in Europe and therefore makes it a perfect entry point for tackling the European Union market. International companies can find extremely well-educated people for biopharma in Germany. The cooperation between biopharma companies, bioparks, science industry and big pharma forms a very well-developed ecosystem in Germany.
So you see, biopharma is a sector with a venerable past and a bright future in Germany. If you're interested in expanding your business, the world's pharmacy is just what the doctor ordered. Germany Trade and Invest can help you get a foothold here. All our services come free of charge since we're a government agency. Go to gtai.com and make an appointment. We promise there is no waiting room. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have some prescriptions to fill.